Hi, I'm Kai Vicente and I'm here to talk about my statistics experience and how I made it kind of fun. Statistics is a world of probabilities, paradoxes, and p-values. There will be games, thought experiments, and a lot of coin flipping. Actually, statisticians love to talk about coin flipping. Statistics can help you make a guess whether or not you're going to be accepted at your top university. Marketers use them to sell us like lame pants or whatever. Netflix uses stats to predict what show you might want to watch next. You also use statistics when you look at weather forecasts and decide what to wear, dress, or jeans. Policymakers use them to decide whether or not to invest in more early childhood education, whether or not to spend more on mental health services. Statistics is all about making sense of data and figuring out how to put that information to use. So let's ask the question, what can statistics actually do? Let's say you wake up at your desk after a long evening studying for finals with a cheeseburger wrapper stuck to your face and you wonder, why do I even eat this stuff? Is fast food controlling my life? But then you tell yourself, no, it's just super convenient. But you're worried, you're thinking about how great it is that McDonald's serves breakfast all day right now. But maybe that's normal. Finals are this week after all, so you Google the question fast food consumption and you find the results of a fast food survey. The first thing you might do is start asking questions that interest you. For example, you could ask, why do people eat fast food? Do people eat more fast food on the weekend than on weekdays? Does eating fast food stress me out? To answer the question about why people eat fast food, you can ask them to fill out a questionnaire, but you can know whether their answers truly represent what they're thinking. Maybe they answer this honestly because they don't want to admit that they scarf McDonald's because they're too tired to cook dinner, or because they're ashamed to admit that I think maybe Jollibee is delicious, or because none of the given answers represented their truth. Or maybe they really don't know why they eat fast food. The point of this video was to inform you guys that statistics can be actually really fun. You can use it in your day-to-day activities. You know, those random thoughts you get in the afternoon, like the correlation between when I plant this in the morning, water my plants, or whatever, whatever your hobbies are. Statistics can actually answer that for you, and that's how I got through my statistics, is to just translate it into the fun side of it. I hope this video inspired you guys to like statistics even more and maybe explore a little bit about it, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.